The title of my talk today is Risk Management Disciplines for Futures Trading. And so I'm going to present some concepts today that have been directly as a result of my own trading plan, my own trading experiences in the last couple of months. I hope that you guys can find some value with that. I'm going to show you here first. Move. This is where I'm presenting from. This is my office. I'm literally sitting at this desk right now presenting to you guys and just a little bit about me. I graduated from a university called Taylor University with a business management and finance minor. Grew up in Ohio. Taylor's over in Indiana near Fort Wayne, between Fort Wayne and Indianapolis. Moved to Atlanta, Georgia with a couple of my friends in 2009. Have been here ever since. I love the state of Georgia. I'd love to hear from you in the chat if you're from the Atlanta area. Still here in Swanee. I've been a full-time developer on the NinjaTrader platform since 2011, which is crazy to think about. And I just want to say thank you to Patrick and all the guys at Ninja. I built a whole career literally on being a software developer on the platform. So coming here with a lot of gratitude. It's easy coming out of Thanksgiving to think like that. I want to think like that year round, but very grateful for the NinjaTrader platform. And Michael, Brad, I see you, man, from Marietta. Thanks for saying that. Reach out. Hopefully we'll get some live events going soon. That's one of my goals for 2024. Okay, thanks, Michael. And then in 2021, I'm pretty proud of this. I purchased an office condo. And so having always worked from home, it was pretty ironic that in the beginning of COVID, I started renting and driving to my office while everyone else was working from home. I was like, I can't work from home anymore. I've been doing this for years. I'm done working from home. So I bought a condo and renovated it. And I'll just go back and show you guys the picture. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. You can kind of see out the door of my office is kind of what I hope to be a war room. Bring in some day traders and set it up. For now, it's just me and a few other guys in here, friends of mine working together. So all right, guys, I'm going to start by just showing you my trading plan. And so this is something I've been working on for myself. Thanks, Casey. I didn't know that anyone in this presentation would have a clue anything about Taylor University. But yeah, there's lots of corn for sure. And we got people from all around the world in South Africa and Colombia. Thanks for saying that. So my basic trading plan, guys, is just for me. Might be some benefit here. I just want to throw this out there, but I trade from 9:40 to 11:40. Maximum trades is 5. What that's going to do is limit my trading, right? Because I tend to overtrade. So if I know that my maximum number of trades for the day is 5 trades, then I'm going to be more particular in my decision making, hopefully. The markets I trade are the NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow. Again, one contract. I'm not like a lot of other educators where we talk about having multiple targets. I believe all in, all out with a risk reward and just keep it simple that way. Language, silence has to do with me keeping my emotions in check because it can be easy to get upset pretty quickly when I'm trading, and that's something that I'm working on. Mindset, positive. I believe those last two are probably the biggest keys to my success as well. And so I think they will be for you guys too. So I want to start by, excuse me guys, like I have been sick, came back from Thanksgiving gatherings with something on the way back from Ohio. It felt like it got worse, like the whole 10-hour trip down I-75, but I'm going to take a sip here. But I'm going to ask you guys some questions. Would your day trading results improve if you had strict risk management rules for each trade? And I think the answer is yes, or I think we can all relate to this. Like I know for sure many days trading cash accounts, non-trading with some prop firms, but many days where I look back and I'm like, how in the heck did that happen? It's insane, right? And so the answer is yes. Do you struggle with trade exit decisions, such as determining the best target and stop loss prices? Probably the answer is yes, right? We've all been there. I'm thinking, unbelievable, man. It came right to my target, barely missed it, and reversed on me, right? And then you're left second guessing yourself and thinking, man, no, it's great when it comes to your stop loss, right? And then reverses because you're like, oh, I survived. But how many times does it come to your target in reverse? And then the last question I want to ask, just to get us thinking here, have you ever second guessed? And like I said, have you ever second guessed yourself when making decisions about trade entries or exits? I think we all have.